Hey everyone, Greg here at A Billion Cares Campaign Stop. Today we're at the Gallatin County Fairgrounds and today is Wednesday, September 9th. A bunch of volunteers have gotten together and formed a group called Neighbors in Need. This event is for people who may have been victimized by the fire in the Bridger Canyon this last week. So if you need any help, feel free to come down. There's lots of information here. There's services that are being provided. There's also going to be another event on Saturday. So if you can't make it today, come on down on Saturday and they're here to help. We at Billion, we just decided to come down and I talked with some of the organizers and we're just providing a lunch for them today for all the volunteers and maybe some of the victims too. Jen from the Pickle Barrel has graciously partnered with us again to provide a great lunch, and we just want to say thank you for your business, because without it we wouldn't be able to help out great events like this. And unfortunately, this is an unfortunate event, but again, it's an example of the Bozeman community coming together the way probably not very many places in the country do. So thanks again for your business, and we'll see you at another Billion Cares campaign stop.